Today we're going to install the wiring harness portion of a V-Force on a 2012 Malibu. First, we're going to install the scotch lock that goes on the throttle position sensor wire. Now, depending on the application you're working on, your wire color is going to vary. In this case, it happens to be the green wire. Simply crimp the scotch lock around the existing wire, clamp it down, and plug in the brown wire from the V-Force harness to the scotch lock. That's your throttle position sensor connection. Now this is where there seems to be a little confusion. When you're installing to the M.A.P or the M.A.F in either application, some applications install to the M.A.P sensor, some install to the mass airflow sensor. You always have to cut the wire in half. So simply cut the wire in half, strip the wire back about a ½ inch on both sides. So now we're going to crimp a male spade connector onto the wire that's still attached to the M.A.P sensor or mass airflow sensor, depending on which you have. Make sure you get a good crimp on that wire. We're going to attach the female spade connector to the other side, the wire that's left that you just cut in half. Crimp that down really good. Now, if you ever want to go back to stock and disconnect all this, all you have to do is plug the male into the female and you're finished. Now, plug the gray wire from the V-Force wiring harness into the male side. We're going to connect the green wire to the part that's still connected to the wiring harness. Now, anytime you want to go back to stock, simply unplug these and plug the wire back together.